So welcome guys in next video tutorial on WordPress plugins. In this video we are going to see some tutorials on how to add chat box in your site using a plugin, right? So there are a bunch of plugins to do this one. We are going to see simple Ajax chat. You can go to plugins, click add new, and then go to search and search Ajax chat, right? You'll get this one by Jeff Star, and click install now. Display an Ajax Power chat box anywhere, lightweight, flexible, fast and secure, fully customizable with many options, right? Click activate and wait. Okay, it is activated. And now go to settings here, simple Ajax chat settings, and you can see here plugin settings, right? Click this one, default name, right? You can change your default name for welcome message, right? Default message, welcome to the chat forum. You can change this one also. And if you want the user or the guest to log in to start the chat, then you can tick this one, require users to be logged in to view and use the chat box, right? Display mode, display chat messages at read only, so visitors can view chats but not add their one. If you want that one, then you can tick it. Logged in username, use the logged in username as the chat name. If you want that, then you can click this one, right? Linked usernames, large input fields, sound alerts, right? If you want sound alert for new chat messages, then you can tick this one. Chat order, display chats in ascending order, new messages appear at the bottom of the list, right? Tick this one. Disable IP collection. If you want to disable IP collection, then tick this one. Maximum chats, you can change all, right? Max characters, username length, everything. And notification, new chat message, right? Default notification icon, there is a default icon for simple Ajax chat with this name, right? SAC 400.png. You can also change it, right? So this is about the times and color. Just make it default. If you want to change it this then you can change it. And go down, save setting, right? And there is banned phrases. You can use banned phrases here, right? And message chart, manage chat messages, A5. Leave it default. Now we need shortcode, right? Okay, here is the shortcode and template tag. Use this shortcode to display the chat box on any WP post or page. This is the shortcode. Let's copy this one. Go to pages and add new page. Title chat box demo, right? And go here, paste this one here. And after that you can publish it. Now let's go to this page URL. See here, now you can see here chat box demo admin high five, you have successfully installed simple Ajax chat. That was the default message, right? Name Usify, right? Username is logged in. URL, you can mention URL and you can send message, right? Test message. Click submit and you can see here, please enter a URL. So let's enter a URL dot. Now let's check with this one, submit. You can see here Usify test message is showing here, right? So this was the basic about this chat box, right? Simple Ajax chat. There are a bunch of plugins to achieve this. Stay tuned for other plugin tutorials in WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching.